Ever felt like you're juggling appointments with sticky notes, endless email threads, and a calendar that looks like a Jackson Pollock painting? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, staying organized and making it easy for clients to book your services is absolutely crucial. And that brings us to a really important question. If you're using Acuity Scheduling, do you really need a separate website? Think about it for a second. Acuity is this fantastic tool, right? It lets you set your availability, define your service offerings, collect payments, and even send out those all-important reminder emails. It's like having a virtual assistant dedicated solely to managing your appointments. So, with all that power packed into one platform, why would you even consider needing something else? Well, that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. We'll explore the pros and cons of relying solely on your Acuity Scheduling page versus having a dedicated website working alongside it. We'll unpack the different scenarios where one might be more beneficial than the other, and by the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear understanding of what's the best fit for your business. Let's start by acknowledging the sheer convenience of Acuity's standalone scheduling page. It's often the quickest and easiest way to get up and running. You sign up, configure your settings, and boom, you get a unique link that you can share with clients. This link takes them directly to your booking portal, where they can see your availability and book an appointment in a few clicks. For solopreneurs or very small businesses just starting out, this can be a real game changer. It eliminates the initial hurdle and cost of building and maintaining a website. Plus, Acuity's scheduling pages are designed to be user-friendly and mobile responsive. This means your clients can easily book appointments from their computers, tablets, or smartphones, anytime, anywhere. You can often customize the look and feel to some extent, adding your logo and brand colors to create a more cohesive experience. However, relying solely on your Acuity Scheduling page can also come with some significant limitations. Think about your brand presence. Your Acuity page, while customizable, lives within the Acuity ecosystem. It has Acuity's branding, and the overall look and feel might not perfectly align with your unique brand identity. A dedicated website gives you complete control over your branding, your colors, your fonts, your voice, your story. It's your digital home, a place where you can truly showcase who you are and what you offer in a way that resonates with your ideal clients. Beyond branding, a website offers you so much more flexibility in terms of content and functionality. You can have dedicated pages explaining your services in detail, showcasing testimonials from happy clients, sharing your expertise through blog posts, and providing contact information beyond just the booking link. A website acts as a central hub for all things related to your business, building trust and credibility with potential clients. Imagine someone finding you through a social media post or a referral. If all you have is an Acuity link, they go straight to booking. While convenient, they might not get a full picture of who you are, your expertise, or why they should choose you over someone else. A website allows them to explore, learn more about you, and feel confident in their decision before they even click that Book Now button. Think about SEO, search engine optimization. If you want to attract organic traffic from search engines like Google, having a website is essential. You can optimize your website content with relevant keywords, making it easier for people searching for your services in your area to find you. While your Acuity page might show up in search results, it's often harder to optimize for specific keywords compared to a dedicated website where you have full control over the content and structure. Furthermore, a website allows for seamless integration with other marketing tools and platforms. You can easily embed your Acuity Scheduling widget into a page on your website, creating a smooth booking experience within your own branded environment. You can also integrate with email marketing platforms, analytics tools, and social media channels, giving you a more holistic view of your marketing efforts and allowing you to nurture leads effectively. Let's consider different types of businesses and how this might apply. For a freelance consultant offering specialized services, a website can be invaluable in establishing authority and showcasing their expertise through case studies, blog posts, and a detailed About Me page. While the Acuity link handles the booking, the website builds the trust and credibility needed to convert visitors into clients. For a local salon or spa, a website can display their full range of services, pricing, team bios, and beautiful photos of their space. Embedding the Acuity booking widget allows clients to easily schedule appointments after browsing their offerings and getting a feel for the salon's atmosphere. For a yoga instructor offering online classes, a website can host their class schedule, pricing packages, and even on-demand video content. The Acuity integration simplifies booking and payment for individual classes or memberships. Even for a coach who relies heavily on scheduled sessions, a website can provide a platform to share their coaching philosophy, client testimonials, and free resources, attracting potential clients and guiding them towards booking a discovery call through their embedded Acuity calendar. Now, let's address some common concerns. One might be the cost and effort involved in building and maintaining a website. While it's true that it requires an initial investment of time and potentially money, there are numerous options available today that cater to different budgets and technical skills. Platforms like WordPress, Squarespace, and Wix offer user-friendly interfaces and affordable hosting plans. You don't necessarily need to hire a professional web developer to get a professional-looking website up and running. Another concern might be the perceived redundancy of having both a website and an Acuity page. However, think of them as working in tandem, each serving a specific purpose. Your website is your digital storefront, your brand's online home, and your content hub. Acuity is your dedicated appointment management system, seamlessly handling the scheduling logistics. Integrating them creates a powerful and efficient workflow. There are definitely scenarios where relying solely on an Acuity scheduling page might be sufficient, especially in the very early stages of a business or for those with a very niche clientele who are primarily reached through direct links. If you're just testing the waters with a new service or have a small, established client base that you communicate with directly, the simplicity of an Acuity link might be all you need for now. However, as your business grows and you aim to expand your reach, build a stronger brand identity, and attract more organic traffic, a website becomes an increasingly valuable asset. It provides a foundation for your online presence, allowing you to control your narrative, showcase your value, and create a seamless experience for your clients from discovery to booking. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.